Hello everyone! Is your car struggling with shifting gears, hesitating, or even getting stuck while driving? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0779, Pressure Control Solenoid B Intermittent, this means the transmission isn't regulating hydraulic pressure consistently, leading to jerky shifting, transmission overheating, and possible long-term damage. If ignored, this issue can lead to complete transmission failure. But don't worry, I'll explain what P0779 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the key sensors and components to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0779? The P0779 trouble code is triggered when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an intermittent issue with Pressure Control Solenoid B. This solenoid is responsible for adjusting transmission fluid pressure for smooth gear shifts. Symptoms of P0779 include harsh or delayed shifting transmission, slipping or staying in one gear, limp mode activation, stuck in second or third gear, check engine light and transmission warning light on poor fuel economy due to improper gear shifts. If you're facing these problems, let's locate the main sensors and components responsible for P0779. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0779, check these critical components. Pressure Control Solenoid B location, inside the transmission valve body, under the transmission fluid pan. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting. Transmission Control Module, TCM. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, typically found in the engine bay near the firewall, under the dashboard, or mounted on the transmission case. Function, sends signals to the solenoids to adjust transmission pressure. Transmission fluid pressure, TFP. Sensor location, mounted on the transmission case, usually near the valve body. Function, monitors hydraulic pressure and sends data to the PCM. Input and output speed sensors, ISS/OSS location, attached to the transmission housing, near the input and output shafts. Function, helps the PCM determine the correct shifting strategy. Wiring and connectors location, runs between the solenoid sensors and PCM/TCM. Function, transfers electrical signals. Damaged wiring can cause solenoid failures. Common causes of P0779. 1. Faulty pressure control solenoid B. The solenoid might be malfunctioning intermittently. 2. Damaged wiring or connectors. Corrosion, loose connections, or short circuits can cause intermittent failures. 3. Transmission control module, TCM, issues. The TCM may be sending incorrect signals. 4. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Dirty or low fluid can cause erratic solenoid operation. 5. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor, sending incorrect readings to the PCM. 6. Electrical interference or blown fuse, can interrupt power to the solenoid intermittently. How to fix P0779. Step 1. Check the transmission fluid, make sure it's clean and at the proper level. Step 2. Inspect pressure control solenoid B. Use a multimeter to check for resistance and continuity. Step 3. Check all wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or damaged wires. Step 4. Test the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Compare sensor readings to manufacturer specifications. Step 5. Inspect fuses and relays. Replace any that are blown or malfunctioning. Step 6. Scan for PCM/TCM errors. Update or reprogram the control module if needed. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and monitor performance. Final words, an intermittent pressure control solenoid B issue can cause serious shifting problems, so diagnosing P0779 early can prevent costly repairs. Always check your solenoids, wiring, and sensors to ensure smooth operation. Watch these related videos next. P0424, catalyst temperature sensor, bank 1, P0425, heated catalyst temperature sensor, bank 1, like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.